Today you will learn how to add font to Photoshop. Let's go. First go to Google Font website. Right here first name Cairo for example. Then press download family. Click show all then show folder to go to folder that you have download. Go to the font file that you have download and right click then make new folder. Right click on the file and choose cut then open the new folder and choose paste. Right click on font folder and choose extract here. Select all files and make copy. After that open start and search for control panel. Make sure here it view by large icon. Then click on fonts file. Right click and make paste. Now you can open the Photoshop and select font then change it from top. Write Cairo here and choose any style you want. Finally you did it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.